One morning, my manager told me I'll be working on a new DHIS2 project. So I met the project manager and she told me we needed to create over 3,500 organization units. Organization units represent the locations of data. For example, a province, a district, or a facility can be classified as an organization unit. So what was the problem? The system only had 20 organization units, which means I would have to create thousands one by one. But there is a faster way using a CSV file. Would you like to give it a try? Sit back, let's take a look. Two things to mention before we begin. If you would like a detailed breakdown of how to do this, you can look at an article I wrote, which is in the description below. Secondly, if you want to use similar templates that I have created in the past, and also the ones I'll be using for this demonstration, you can find it in this GitHub repo over here. So first things first, as usual, we need to pay attention to the organization unit structure of the CSV file, and we will look eventually at a CSV file template which has the necessary headers for you to look through. Next, which is very, very key, I'm already in my DHIS2 instance and I'm in the maintenance application. It's very important for you to go to your organization unit and look at the organization unit level. So in this case, in my case, we have national, district, chiefdom, and facility unit levels. Now, if I am interested in adding more district, I need to pay attention to what comes before district, and this would be the parent organization unit for district. So the parent organization unit level for district is national. So when I go to my organization unit, the national level is Sierra Leone. And I need to get the ID for Sierra Leone, which is the parent ID. So if I click the vertical ellipsis on the side and I go to show details, if I scroll down, I will be given my ID number there, which I can get for my use case. So next I will open my CSV file, and like I said, if you want to look at this and have a deeper dive, you can get into the GitHub repository. So the ID that I'm going to place here is not actually there, it's here, is the parent ID. That's what's important. Next thing is the district names. So I'll write some district names here just for demonstration purposes. I'll start Western. I'll move to, let's say, Eastern District, and then I'll move to maybe, let's say, Central District, and finally I can also just include maybe Northern and Southern. Oh, it's Southern, right? The parent ID will be the same for all of these organization units, so I can simply just drag there. Next, another key detail which we need to focus on is the date. So I have a date written down, which I'll copy here. So obviously, depending on where you're from, the date may vary, but if you're importing it into DHIS2, you need to change the date format. This is very, 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 very key. So if I go to more there, I want it to appear like this. So that's the third one. So you have the year, you have the month, and you have the date. That's what it should look like. If you do not do this, it will fail. So if I want, I can also copy that, but I want it to show for all of them, so I'll replace it there. And the reason why I'm backdating it is in the event that you need to enter data from 2000, you need to backdate the data. So I am going to save this example. Remember, we're saving it as a CSV file. So let's just make sure that it's in a CSV format, and there we go, CSV. So I've saved it, just make sure that it's already saved. I'll close it and I'll go to our import-export application and wait for it to load. I'm going to go to metadata import, organization unit file. I am going to find my organization unit example template. That's the one I'm getting. making sure that it's a CSV format. And first row is header still. What we are looking for is organization unit, right? So we select organization unit, and I will leave identifier as UID, which should work. Actually, yeah, let's try it out and see. Start dry run. And we have created our 5 districts, right? Next, we are going to start import. Great. Now, just for purposes of ensuring that the organization units are there, we are going to go to our organization unit. And if I scroll down, you have Central there, we have Eastern there. Those are good examples. We have Northern there, and it's even showing when I created them. So there you have it. For more DHIS2 tips and tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe.